and welcome back to our channel. I'm sorry we've been on a little bit of a hiatus lately. It's Big Brother season and we happen to have a Big Brother channel. It's called Mad Rose D. If you're interested in Big Brother and watch it, we do some recaps and spoiler videos and puppet shows. What? Vegan puppets? Yeah.
They're vegan puppets.
They are. They're vegan puppets. So today I figured I haven't been showing a lot of love on this channel lately. I've been busy for a few minutes.
It's not that we didn't want to.
Right.
We are dying to post videos on this channel.
We are inundated with Big Brother videos. We got to pay the bills, and let's face it, that
These
channel,
guys got to eat.
Yeah, and their food's not cheap. They're the videos on the other channel do better than this channel, so we have to go where the money is.
Lucy did not like that. Alright, well anyway, we're here for a
Aldi haul! And Aldi this week had some vegan specials.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, they're junk food, so deal with it. Come on. Just because I went vegan didn't mean I became a health guru overnight. I'm still a very busy person who relies on convenience foods, and it's nice that these are vegan convenience foods. So, like last night, I didn't have time to cook, so I had to throw something together quick, and I had to rely on my freezer, so it is what it is, kids. The world's just too fast-paced, and I gotta keep up, otherwise I'm gonna get run over. So let's talk about what I got. They had some nice stuff today. But first, let me talk about this cookbook that I got on Prime Day.
Ooh.
This is so amazing. The first time I saw Dustin Harder was on So You're Dating a Vegan's channel. He came to his house and was
Oh,
doing,
this is that guy?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Right? We've been loving what he made in that video.
Yeah, Dustin, if you ever see this, thank you.
We love you. So here he is on the back. He's a great guy. He's really personable. I loved watching him on video. And his cookbook does not disappoint. It's got beautiful photography. It's got a lot of things that we would eat.
A lot of really funky recipes.
Yeah, like really, maybe like hipster vegan.
Like mashups.
Yeah, like fusion cooking. So good. He uses obtainable ingredients. It's nothing like, oh, you need to get some plant of the yak. Or some, you know, it's like, it's good. So we're going to be checking that out. We're going to be making some of those recipes on this channel and showing them because they look amazing. But today at Aldi, I got the vegan stuff. I got a vegan watermelon. Let's start over here. Tonight is Mexican night. It's usually pizza night, but it's just too darn hot in New York State this day in 2019. So we got some blue corn chips. These are organic. These are also organic. Veggie and flaxseed corn tortilla chips. Of course, some salsa. Everybody's got a sensitive stomach, so I usually get mild. Yeah, it is what it is. I got a lucky bamboo plant. It's a sickness. I have like 40 plants, maybe.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
But they're all well cared for, so
I just
okay.
had to move them all to the porch because my grandcats are coming for the weekend and they're not eating at the vegan salad bar of plants. No. For their sake and for mine. So these are things that they've had before at Aldi, but I guess it's seasonal now because I guess people want that beach bod. I don't know. These are chickenless strips. These I've had before. They're very much like the Beyond Meat or Beyond Chicken chicken strips. Very similar. The beefless crumbles, also very good. Remind me of the Beyond. I wonder if these are actually them under a
Aldi different label. Name. Could be. Yeah.
Also, their meatballs are very good. These are almost identical, if not identical, to the Trader Joe's meatballs. Which is, what meatballs did we have? Was it the Boca meatballs or something? I can't remember. It was a mainstream. If you guys know, leave it in the comments what these are very similar to, besides the Trader Joe ones. Also, this is new for the week or so. It's mushroom risotto veggie burger.
That sounds delicious.
Right? And usually when you get a mushroom risotto, it's got like the cheese in it, but this one is vegan. So I'm excited for that. I got some more of these mini peppers because what I do is I microwave these and then I put them in my yellow sauce along with hemp seeds and they come out amazing. They make an amazing nacho sauce. Now these I've seen never. This is the first time I've seen these, and they remind me so much of the Impossible. Is it the Impossible? Not the Impossible.
I can never
Burger.
remember which one.
The Beyond Burger, I think. The one that is like $7 for 2 patties or $8 for 2 patties. I'm excited to try these. Maybe we'll do a taste test on these. I don't know. But I got a bunch of these because they looked really good. The watermelon, of course. Some celery because we love chickpea salad.
Yes.
And it's just not the same without celery. You gotta have that crunch in there. We were out of hummus, so I got some roasted garlic and some roasted pine nut. Aldi has very delicious hummuses. I believe they're oil-free. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But they're not very oily. Like sometimes you get them and they got that thick coat of oil on the top.
I like that they usually have a really wide variety too to choose from.
And they're reasonably priced. So I picked those up. This is the first time I'm seeing the veggie pot stickers, although I have a feeling that they've had them before, but maybe not at my Aldi. So I got 2 of those. Everybody loves these 100-calorie snack packs for a quick dessert. They're
delicious.
Vegan. They're not explicitly vegan, but we still love them. And this I made last week for a really delicious dessert at my mom's house. We usually have Sunday dinner with my mom. And I'm tasked to make the dessert because she doesn't understand what vegan is. And she's like,
it's okay.
It just has a little butter in it. It's no biggie. And I'm like, well, it's not vegan. I can't eat it. So I usually make the dessert. And this was so good. I followed my vegan recipe of replacing the eggs with flax eggs and seltzer water instead of the water. And on the bottom, I made it like an apricot upside down cake. The combination of the apricot and the lemon was delicious. I'm planning on doing this again with a blueberry.
That would be really good. Like blueberry lemonade.
There you go. I give it a done.
Yep.
And finally, I love the sourdough bread that they have at Aldi. We get this pretty much every week. They offer it in a square or rectangle or a round boule. So good. Love it. So that is what we got at Aldi.
Ooh.
And that is their vegan. Well, they had other stuff I didn't get. I don't like the quinoa crunch. I'm not into that. I've had the barbecue before. It's okay. I wanted to try the new stuff. All right, so all of this was, not the cookbook, was $77. So I feel like for this amount of convenience foods, that was a pretty good price. So check out Aldi. It's is there a spaceship landing?
No.
I don't know. For a limited time, I guess, they have these vegan convenience foods. So check them out and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. And we're going to have some upcoming recipe videos. And until next time, much love.